I won't say I can read fluently Yiddish, but I love the logic of the language, how the grammar, how they kind of twist everything. It's a little bit like Russian somehow, but I really felt I understood better my ancestors. I don't have a lot to say about except cliches that when you start understanding a language, you understand the soul. I mean, words, expressions, concepts they say so much about the approach of the reality. Uh, I mean, I'm always amazed with French and with English or Russian and now Yiddish how some words don't exist exist in one language and not in another one, and how like in Russian the verb is at the end of the sentence, which makes, I don't know, I'm sure it creates a different approach or a different way of. You need to listen to the phrase until it finishes to understand it. Which, if you listen to me in French and you're going to finish my sentence before I finish it because the verb is at the beginning, noun and verb. But in Yiddish, sometimes it's like, maybe I love those languages where you have to listen to until the end before you understand. You have to concentrate maybe more. Maybe it's people listen to each other better in Yiddish. I don't know. I'm just making it up.